name is Katherine Mederos. I originally went to Berea-Midpark High School, and I also attended Polaris, and then I also attended Tri-C as well. Kojin is actually the Japanese god of the hearth and fire, so he's the Japanese god of the kitchens overall. Polaris led me here in the most odd path. When I left Polaris, I had full intentions of only being a pastry chef. If you had asked anybody at the time, I wanted to open a restaurant solely for desserts. I wanted nothing to do with culinary. Once I left Polaris, I went to school in New York City, the Culinary Institute of America, and I got another degree again in pastry arts, and then I also got a business degree. In between my time in Polaris and now, I've gone through 3 different states. I've lived across the entire country, and I've worked in almost 12 different restaurants now. But Polaris gave me a great foundation of learning how to work in a kitchen, work with others. My advice for anybody attending Polaris is take full advantage of the entire course. Like I said, when I was there, I did the extracurriculars. I helped Chef Hogler with different events. Anything I could to spend more time in the kitchen, I did. We also partook in events with the culinary side and anything I could. My experience with Chef Hogler was a little bit different than most students. I was actually able to be a teaching assistant with her for my final senior year, so I could continue going to Tri-C during the week, so I could finish my degree there as well. So I was attending Berea-Midpark and Tri-C and Polaris on the same schedule. So the principal, Mr. Evans, allowed me to be a teaching assistant. So I used that when I went to CIA, and I was able to use the same skills that she helped me build, so I could be a teaching assistant for cooking classes in New York as well.